Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and service. Make sure your phone or router supports the carrier's 5G bands and that your SIM plan includes 5G. Once done, scan local coverage maps to pinpoint likely serving cells. This tells you if sub-6 or wave is relevant. Now evaluate location factors, line of sight, elevation, and nearby obstructions, because these determine whether a passive external antenna or an active repeater will be required. Gather band info and basic antenna options before proceeding. You now implement the chosen hardware and tune it. Install a directional antenna if a tower is visible, or an omni if multiple weak sectors exist. Wave needs precise pointing and short cables. Once mounted, adjust height and azimuth to maximize RSRP and SNR. Polarization alignment can add several dB. Use a signal meter, phone service mode, or SDR to identify PCI, IRFCAN, and best beam. Make iterative tweaks because small angle changes often yield large throughput improvements. You finish by integrating the improved feed into your modem or 5G router, then run throughput and stability tests to verify real-world gains. Once done, lock preferred bands or carrier aggregation settings if your device allows. This prevents unwanted roaming to weak bands. If throughput is still poor, make a targeted change. Raise the mast, swap to a higher gain directional antenna, shorten cable runs, or contact carrier tech support with recorded PCI and RSRP values. That troubleshooting tip often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.